For decades, Enugu State, the historic coal city, stood as a symbol of industrial promise in eastern Nigeria. Its factories once roared with life, its industrial district buzzed with activities, and its economic prospect attracted workers and investors from across the nation. But like many Nigerian industrial centers, the city began to slow. Infrastructure aged, factories shut down, public utilities weakened, and the dream of an industrial powerhouse faded into memory. Among the infrastructures that fell silent was Niger Gas Company, once a backbone of industrial operations in the southeast, supplying essential industrial gases to factories, hospitals, construction firms, and research institutes. For years, the facility lay dormant, a shadow of its former self, overgrown, obsolete, and forgotten. But today, that story is changing, because under the leadership of His Excellency Governor Peter Ndubuisemba, Enugu State has begun a sweeping program of industrial revitalization. A key symbol of this new era is the complete re-engineering, re-equipping, and full revival of the Niger Gas Company, transforming it from a decayed asset into a modern, efficient revenue-generating industrial powerhouse. This is the story of how Enugu is rising again. Established decades ago to support Nigeria's industrial growth, Niger Gas Enugu was designed to produce oxygen, acetylene, nitrogen, argon, medical-grade gases, industrial welding gases. Through the 1970s to 1990s, Niger Gas was one of the largest gas suppliers in eastern Nigeria. Hospitals relied on it, construction firms depended on it, technical industries needed it. But by the early 2000s, the machineries became obsolete, maintenance was neglected, production capacity collapsed, skilled staffs left, the factory became dormant. What was once a symbol of industrial strength became a relic. The state lost revenue. Businesses now had to import industrial gases from Lagos or Port Harcourt, and Enugu's industrial competitiveness weakened. This was the situation Governor Peter Mba inherited. When Governor Peter Mba took office in 2023, he set a bold target: grow Enugu State economy from $4.4 billion to $30 billion within 8 years. To achieve this, he prioritized industrialization, infrastructure renewal, ease of doing business, public asset recovery, job creation. One of the first major moves under his agenda was the revival of Niger Gas Company, a facility whose collapse directly impacted healthcare, manufacturing, and construction across the region.
I'd like to say that we are really very grateful to the governor of Enugu State and the people of Enugu State for believing in us to turn this place around. This company had not produced for the past 22 years, and then this place was taken over by rats and rabbits. It was so much vandalized that no more equipment will exist in here. But when the governor, who believed in us, requested that we do this project, we promised him that we'll do him proud and we do the Enugu State people proud as well. So today is the fulfillment of that promise, and I would like to thank you again for finding the time to come and commission it.
The revitalization of Niger Gas was a massive multi-stage undertaking. It included renovation of derelict building, restoration of production halls, modernization of power systems, installation of safety protocols and fire suppression systems. The old worn-out equipment was dismantled and replaced with high-capacity oxygen plants, automated nitrogen generation units, modern acetylene production lines, cryogenic processing systems, advanced compression and bottling units. New computerized systems now track gas purity, production efficiency, output levels, equipment health, and safety compliance. New staffs were hired, old staffs were retrained, safety maintenance and production standards were upgraded to international levels. Niger Gas now meets global environmental best practices, minimizing emission and ensuring safe gas handling. What the new Niger Gas means for Enugu. Today, the revived facility is not just operational, it is competitive. Hospitals across Enugu and neighboring states can now source reliable medical oxygen locally. Welding gases, nitrogen, oxygen, and acetylene, essential for fabrication and engineering works, are now produced in the state. Over 300 plus direct and indirect jobs have been created, from technical operators to logistic teams. Manufacturers no longer need to transport industrial gases from hundreds of kilometers away. Niger Gas now contributes to the IGL and attracts private sector partnership. There are plans for LNG cylinder production, specialty gas lines, export of industrial gases within the ECOWAS region, collaboration with emerging industries in Enugu's new special economic industrial zones. The Niger Gas revival is part of a broader ecosystem of infrastructure upgrades, including sunrise flour mills, modern livestock and agro-processing zones, Enugu Industrial Park projects, massive reconstruction of urban roads, bridges and rural access routes, supporting industrial logistics. The unprecedented restoration of water supply to Enugu metropolis from zero to over 120 million liters per day. Strategic partnership for stable power supply in industrial clusters. Digitized land administrations, business registration support, tax reforms, investment protection frameworks. All this creates an environment where Niger Gas can thrive. Niger Gas is more than a factory. It represents the revival of Enugu's industrial heritage, the reawakening of an economic engine, a signal to investors that Enugu is open for business, a template for revitalizing dying public assets, a practical expression of Governor Peter Mbah's 30 billion economic vision. It tells citizens, industry is returning, jobs are returning, hope is returning. In a span of just a short time, Enugu State has witnessed a developmental momentum unlike anything in its recent history. Under the visionary leadership of Governor Peter Mbah, the pace of transformation has accelerated with remarkable clarity, intent, and measurable progress. From the sweeping road reconstruction projects across urban and rural corridors to the unprecedented restoration of potable water to Enugu metropolis, to the revitalization of key public assets such as Niger Gas, Enugu's development is no longer theoretical, it is visible, tangible, and audacious. A major highlight of this administration's seriousness is the historic expansion of the state's annual budget, reflecting a bold economic ambition through strategic fiscal planning, innovative revenue structuring, and investor-friendly policies. The governor recently announced one of the largest budget increases in the state's history, a budget framed around capital-intensive development, infrastructure renewal, and industrial takeoff. This budget is not just larger, it is transformational. It channels enormous resources into industrial infrastructure, roads and logistic backbone, ICT and digital governance, water and energy systems, education and human capital development, agriculture, and agro-industrial value chains. The governor's budgetary philosophy is simple. You cannot build a modern economy on a small vision. And with this new budget, Enugu has signaled strongly, both locally and internationally, that it is ready for exponential growth. Beyond announcements and policy documents lies the true proving ground of governance, revenue performance. Under Governor Peter Mba, Enugu State has recorded significant growth in internal generated revenue. A clear sign that the economy is expanding, investor confidence is rising, and the state is becoming more financially self-reliant. Through reforms driven by the governor, including digitization of tax administration systems, elimination of multiple taxations, restructuring of revenue channels, blocking leakages and middlemen interference, ease of doing business reforms, attraction of private sector investments, Enugu State's IGR has taken a remarkable upward turn. Businesses are registering faster, corporate activity is rising, SMEs are thriving under a more supportive regulatory environment, large-scale investments in energy, industrial parks and logistic infrastructure are beginning to take shape. This IGR growth is not merely a number, it is evidence that Governor Mba's model of economic expansion is working. A growing IGR base means more capacity to implement capital projects, more fiscal independence, and more resources to fund the ambitious visions outlined in the new budget. It shows unmistakably that Enugu is entering a new era of financial strength and economic resilience. As the sun sets over the coal city, the rise of newly restored factories tell a new story, one of resilience, leadership, and economic rebirth. From the moribund facilities to modern industrial hubs, Enugu is undergoing one of the most ambitious infrastructural transformations in its history. And at the heart of this renewal stands the revived Niger Gas company, a living testament to what vision, political will, and engineering excellence can achieve. The coal city is rising again, and its future has never been brighter. As Enugu State rises once again, rebuilding its infrastructure, reviving its industries, and powering its economy with renewed vigor, one thing becomes clear. This is not just governance. This is transformation. This is the new chapter in the history of the coal city. From the rebirth of Niger Gas to the bold budget expansion to the steady rise in IGR, the state is setting a new standard for what visionary leadership can achieve. But the story of Enugu progress must be told and shared. If you found this documentary insightful, informative, or inspiring, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments below, share this documentary with someone who needs to see the new Enugu. Because the more people understand what is happening here, the more support Enugu will attract, and the faster the transformation will spread. This is Enugu. This is renewal. This is the rise of a new economic powerhouse.